To be really honest with you guys, you'll never be able to speak English fluently and confidently. But if you change these things, it'll happen sooner than you imagine. Let's find out together. Number one, stop taking yourself too seriously. One of the biggest reasons as to why people don't grow as much as they can and they should is because they're afraid of making mistakes. But why? Simple. Because it'll expose you. The balloon of your exaggerated self will burst, and who you truly are will come out to the public, and they will know that you're not this perfect guy. You make mistakes. You're not as good as you say you are, or you show that you are, and you don't want that. Now, my question to you here is, do you care about being perceived smart and successful more? Or do you care about actually being smart and successful? And if you actually want to be smart and successful, this is what you gotta do. Number one, stop taking yourself too seriously, more than you have to. Number two, and this will change your life if you follow it. You have to be a zero if you want to be a hero. Meaning, drop all your identities. Don't care about what people think of you. Don't care too much about the image that you've created. Drop it. Be a zero. Number three, remind yourself of the goal when you're about to quit, when you want to quit. Why are you doing it in the first place? What do you want to achieve? What are you going to miss if you don't do this? Ask yourself. And number four, nobody is going to pay your bills. Remember this, guys. Nobody's going to pay your bills. So who are you trying to impress? What are you trying to do? You have nothing. You want to have a lot of things. You want to achieve a lot of things. How are you going to do it? You have to go out there and make mistakes. Making mistakes is a part of the process. Why do you want to avoid it? You want to avoid it because you don't want to lose the image that you've created. You don't want the people to think of you otherwise. Point number two, reframe your brain. Reframe fear as excitement. Science says your brain doesn't know the difference between fear and excitement. So trick it. So before speaking, take a deep breath in. Get relaxed and reframe your thoughts. Replace the negative ones with the positive ones and say, I'm positive. I'm excited. I want to do it. That's the part of the process. Don't say, I don't know what's going to happen. I'm nervous, right? I don't want to do it. Let's avoid this. Not these thoughts. I'm excited. I'm pumped. Let's do it. This is my chance to shine. Let's go. See, this reappraisal technique helps you feel in control and builds confidence. Number three, control the body, control the mind. Guys, the state of your body, whether you are positive, relaxed, comfortable or not, plays a huge role in your ability to speak confidently and fluently. So it's important to be relaxed, to be in your control. And how to do that? Simple. Breathe in for 4 seconds, hold your breath for 4 seconds, and then exhale for 4 to 6 seconds. That will calm you down. And this is something that you badly need before you start speaking. Even Amy Cuddy's research about power pose shows that body language affects confidence levels significantly. Now remember, you gotta trick your mind. Your mind does not know what's right or wrong. It acts on the principle of making you feel happy, satisfied, safe, and comfortable. And that's why all thoughts that usually cross your mind are about making you feel comfortable, relaxed, safe, and joyful. Observe that your mind is never asking you to take risk, do uncomfortable situations. It never does. So use your intellect, not your mind. Your mind works on the past data, your likes and dislikes. On the other hand, your intellect works on the information that you have, right? So when you have sugar and you crave for sweets, it's your mind. Hey, I want to have it. I really want to have rasmalai, right? You're imagining that you want it. That's your mind. It doesn't care. It doesn't know what's right, what's wrong, what's good for you, what's bad for you. It's your intellect. Your intellect says, using the information, that's not good for you. It'll be bad for your health. You can't have it. Or maybe let's find a middle ground. We can have something that doesn't have sweets. So don't listen to your mind, listen to your intellect. Number 4, track and celebrate small wins. When you run for a certain amount of time, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, you can measure how many calories you've burned. Similarly, when you take a bath, you instantly see a change in how you look and feel. You look cleaner. I mean, some people look the same though, people like me. But when you go on learning a new skill that requires millions of atomic changes, you can't measure it daily. No, you can't. You won't be able to feel that. Meaning, if you practice speaking for a couple of minutes or hours, or you read a book for a couple of minutes or hours, still you can't clearly see a change in you, whether you've gotten better or not, right? Because these things are atomic in nature. You can't measure the change. And since you can't, you just get demotivated and you stop working as hard and seriously as you can. Tell me you've not done it. You actually have. Actually, everyone has. So here are the learnings. New words that you successfully use in conversations. Number 2, moments when you feel more comfortable and perform well. Whenever these things happen, celebrate. They're your reminder. And number 3, every single time you fail less or you make less mistakes, that you're doing well, that you're growing, you're learning, you are on your way to being the person you want to be through speaking English fluently and confidently. And number 5, practice with low stakes speaking. You don't want to be judged. You're scared of being judged. You're scared of people pointing out your mistakes, right? Laughing at you. That's all right. I already told you the solution, the ultimate solution. Be a zero to be a hero. But that's all right. I'm going to give you more points that help you feel better and help you speak fluently and confidently. Here are the points. Point number 1, use your best friend, and that's your mirror. When you speak in front of a mirror, there is absolutely nobody looking at you, pointing out your mistakes and judging you. You are in a safe environment. And on top of that, you are speaking. Okay, how do you get better at speaking? By speaking, right? And that's all you have to do. So speak in front of a mirror when nobody's watching you, nobody's observing you, nobody's there to point out your mistakes and laugh at you. That's a safe environment. And you're doing something that's going to make you be better at speaking. By speaking, right? When you speak in front of a mirror, you can hear your own voice, you can observe your pronunciation, intonation, tonality, and the rest of it, and you can correct yourself. And on top of everything, there is nobody to judge you. It's a win-win situation. The more you do it, the better you get sooner. Number 2, start recording yourself. You want to be better? Start observing yourself. Record yourself, give yourself a topic and speak on it. Speak on it for a minute or 2 minutes or as long as you want. And then observe. Give yourself a goal that I want to use all the expressions that I've learned today, right? Or I want to practice these tenses in my speaking, right? Give yourself a topic or describe how the day has been so far or how yesterday went or a particular situation in the past or in the present or that's going to pan out in the future. Just speak, right? Give yourself some goals and just start speaking. Simple. Number 3, AI. You're living in the world of AI. You don't have to have physical real partners. Now you can have AI partners. So yes, use AI to exchange the language with, to converse with. There are so many tools that you can use to just simply practice speaking. There are some on your screen. You can use these and just start speaking. You don't need a physical person, right? You don't need a physical person to be able to practice. You just need to exchange the language. You just need to speak and hear. AI can do that. Use it. Now let me be honest with you guys. You all can speak English fluently. Yes, you all can. It's not a talent. It's a skill. And skills are built step by step. So if this video helped you even a little bit, share this video with somebody who needs it. And I'll see you soon. Till then, keep learning. Have fun. I'm out.